what makes you proud of SAP Turkey?
Passion.
Passion. Will blockchain revolutionize the manufacturing?
Inevitably.
Inevitably. Do you think that the engineer job can be fully automated?
Most probably.
Most probably. Are you for or against remote work?
I am fourth.
For. All right. Last one. So for the last one, I've been reading an article, a Forbes article related to Turkey, and I've seen that Turkey is one of the next 10 economies. This means that it's more likely to become one of the top 10 economies. Do you think it's true? I mean, do you agree with these statements? Is Turkey one of the next 10 economies?
Absolutely.
All right.
No doubt.
So now choose the one you want to elaborate. There was the SAP Turkey, blockchain, engineering jobs, remote work, or the top 10 economies.
Let's choose the fancy one. Let's choose the middle one, the engineering.
Go ahead.
So what I thought is that in the near future, maybe, there won't be any pure engineering jobs, that it will be all automated. So what I believe, as the new technologies evolve and penetrate into our daily life, the more important thing about being human will not be in the analytical way or in the engineering way. The enthusiasm, the design, the thoughts, and the art of thinking will be more meaningful in an AI world. So the robotic things that we will be doing will be out from our body and will be executed by the machines or some fancy stuff, let's say. It could be more than AI.
Who knows?
Who knows, yes. But the art of it, the design philosophy of it, and the design thinking methodology of it will still be the most important asset that a human can have, which will not be easily replaced by evolved technology. So that's why in the foreseeable future, the robotic processes, mostly under the engineering stuff, will be replaced, but the art of thinking will be the main assets that we will be holding. So that's why I said the engineering will be replaced.
The art of thinking, important point, interesting.
Even in the philosophy of engineering, the priorities will change. So, of course, the engineering will continue and it will be evolving, but the art side and the emotional side of it would be more appealing and more important. But the robotic side of it, which is maybe more than 80% of what we are doing at the moment, will be all out of from our daily life. So that will be the inevitable future.
Good points, good points.